Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add labels on Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already. You'll need to wait a moment while your emails load in. This might take a few seconds depending on how many emails you have and your internet connection, so just give it a bit of time to fully load everything. Now that your emails are loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to start adding those labels. Navigate to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. This is your main toolbar area where most of Outlook's key features live. Look for the Home menu, which should already be selected by default when you're viewing your inbox. Under the Home menu, scan through the options until you find the Categorize button. This button is your gateway to creating and managing email labels in Outlook. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear showing you various categorization options. These are the existing label categories that come with Outlook by default, but you're going to create your own custom ones. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on All Categories. This option is usually at the bottom of the list, and it opens up the full category management window where you can add, edit, or delete labels. Clicking this takes you to a more detailed view where you have complete control over your labeling system. A color categories window will now appear on your screen. This is the central hub for managing all your email labels in Outlook. From here, you can see any existing categories and create new ones. To add a new label, click on the New button. This button is typically located on the right side of the window, and it's what allows you to create fresh categories from scratch. Once you click New, an Add New Category window will pop up. This is where you'll configure your label. You'll see a field where you can enter the name for this category label. Type in whatever name makes sense for organizing your emails, whether that's work, personal, urgent, or anything else that fits your workflow. Below that, you'll see options to assign a color to this label. Choose a color that helps you visually distinguish this category from others. Outlook uses these colors to make your labeled emails stand out in your inbox, which makes finding specific types of emails much faster. You'll also notice an option to add a shortcut hotkey for quick labeling. This is really useful if you plan on using this label frequently, as it lets you apply the label with just a keyboard combination instead of clicking through menus every time. It's completely optional, but it can save you a lot of time in the long run. Once you've entered your category name, selected a color, and optionally added a shortcut key, click on OK. This saves your new category and adds it to your list. You'll see your newly created label appear in the color categories window, and it's now ready to use. You can apply this label to any email in your inbox by selecting the email and using the Categorize button again. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom label to Microsoft Outlook and can now use it to organize your emails more effectively. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.